Yo, what's going on? Next up we got a horror short film from Alter, The Thing That Ate the Birds. It's been a minute since I've watched one of their videos. Let's see what they got going on. The National Lottery. Mm-hmm. Okay, nigga, damn. My ears, bitch. The fuck? that unsettled me a little bit, I won't lie. The fuck, nigga?
Abe! Abe!
Okay,
Abe!
what the fuck are these vibes? Like,
The
off the
door!
rip, what is this? This feels evil as hell. Thing that ate the birds. Were they on like some? Oh shit! No need to show it. Okay, they're gonna show it anyways. I stepped on glass one time and I had to pull that shit out
It's killing for kicks.
purely out of panic.
Think so?
That shit felt like
Maybe a stout?
it was on fire, bro.
How many's that now?
Too many.
As I was saying, they're like at like I'm not gonna say a farm, but field like shit, bro. Better not be no Jeep creepers.
I hate the run up to the 12th. Yeah. Oh, I'm banging my head against a brick wall, to be honest. Which is more than could be said for him. You know what he's like. He'll never change. It is what it is. Yeah.
It
Maybe next
is
time.
what it is.
Yeah. I can't make any promises. Okay. I'm gonna go.
Everything alright, boss?
What?
Just seem a little,
Stop sniffing around me, lad.
Okay. I was just asking if you alright, bitch ass nigga.
Abe. Abe, what now?
What the fuck is this? You reloading a little too slow. If that, whatever the fuck that is, starts to bum rush you right now, it's up, nigga.
Done.
Fuck that.
Stay here.
No. Absolutely not. I'm going home. Is this just everyday work to y'all? What the fuck is this? Why y'all so calm right now? You just shot an orc in your backyard, nigga. Goddamn zombie. Nasty ass nigga, bro.
It's late.
I know.
Are you drunk?
What's going on? What's going on here, bro? What was that? That better had been an editing
What
mistake,
happened?
bro. That better not be no weird transitions they got going on here.
You did.
What did she
I
say?
know.
Are you drunk?
No. What happened?
Oh, you did.
You did.
Toxic. Toxic. Why are we acting like what just happened didn't just happen?
Peel the potatoes. What have you done now?
Hard ass potatoes. I don't think you're
Show
supposed to do
me.
it like that.
It's fine.
Give it here.
It's fine.
I can't do this anymore.
Do what?
You know what I mean.
What?
She looks familiar.
Even Jake says you're worse than usual.
You've been spying on me, Grace.
As if I had the inclination. Do you want me to yell at you? Is that what it is? Will you look at me? You bloody Neolithic! Will you look at me?
Stop it!
Do you want me to leave, Abe? Do you want me to pack my things and leave? Because I am that close.
No. That's not what I want.
Then what? I can't live like this. It's just the caravan.
Stay here.
What's that for?
Stay inside.
What's going on?
Trust me. Just stay inside.
Y'all living in a fucking post-apocalyptic era is what's going on, my nigga. I don't know what y'all got going on, why they zombies just roaming around and shit, but this ain't cool. That's low-key tough the way he holding that flashlight. If that was real, you dislocate your fucking shoulder, nigga. Holding it like that, bro. That damn kickback gonna fuck you up. Let me back up, man. Feel something coming. What the fuck? That scream was a little That shit was disturbing, my guy. What the fuck am I watching right now? The barrel is too long for me to feel safe. Like, I feel like somebody could just come from the side and grab that shit. Now we in a wrestling match again. Get clamped up from behind. Nigga, we been knew that shit was gonna happen, bro. We been knew that shit was gonna happen. Something was gonna come up from behind. That nigga got fucked up. What is this, bro? Oh my god. You guys are on TV now. They got on Redbox. Redbox the whole thing? I've done it again. Alter, you guys have done it again. Made me uncomfortable. Good job. Good job. If you enjoyed my reaction, feel free to hit the like button, subscribe, and share, and I will see you all in the next one.